Welcome traders. In this video we'll show you the right way to use Forex signals, and yes, you heard that right, there's a right way and a wrong way. So copy and paste methods do not work. We're about to expose our competitors and they'll be pretty upset, but this is the harsh truth. If it was as easy as copying and pasting that someone who is profitable, don't you think the whole world would be making millions and millions in the Forex market? And we know this is far from the truth. So here's what most traders do. So as soon as they get the signal notification on Telegram or WhatsApp, their world stops. They go into a frenzy, and all they want to do is get on MetaTrader and enter that trade as quickly as they can. And this is wrong. If you do the above, you're using signals incorrectly and you're using them as a copy and paste service. You have much better luck with a copy and trader service or a managed account. The traders that do the above will continue to jump from one signal provider to another until they finally realize that it's not the signal providers that are at fault and the reason why they're losing money, it's them. It's the trader that's at fault because they aren't using signals the way they should be. And we don't blame them. Many of the Instagram gurus out there and companies market signals as a copy and paste service. But at Forex Lens, we see them as tools. So how can you use signals to your advantage without copy and pasting? You use signals as a tool. So once the signal is sent, your first instinct is to check your charts. So we all have phones, tablets, laptops, all within an arm reach at one given time. So when the signal is sent, your first instinct is to open up TradingView or MetaTrader on your device and see whether your analysis agrees with the trade. If your analysis agrees with the signal, you can enter it, and if it does come out as a winner, that's a confidence boost on you. If you enter the trade and it comes out as a loser, you can see where the analysis went wrong. Also, if you pass up on a trade and that same signal hits the stop loss, that's another confidence boost. So using signals as a tool not only helps you get the best of the trades possible, but it also develops your own trading style and strategy while building your confidence. Our goal at Forex Lens is to have our clients for as shortest time as possible, and that may be counterintuitive, but we really want our clients to be independent at some point. So a good few months using our signals along with our trading room live sessions can really fast track your journey as a trader. So this is how you use signals the correct way. Use them as tools and not as a copy and paste service.